Just a little extra idea I got from the horse. This band here can be used for a cute belt for Lori. So I am going to cut off these ends here so it looks nice in both ends. You can do it for all kind of Barbies. I think they are also not that big around the waist. So I did that. Then I have some Velcro. I kind of don't like Velcro, but in this case it is kind of good for what I want. So I'm just cutting off the excess here. And I'm going to glue that here to the outside on the good side of it. So I'm going to take my fabric glue for that. And I'm going to take a nice amount of that and place it here on this part on the back side. That's the one with the small hangers, or what you call those, in this end. And I'm going to glue that on right here. And I'm going to take the good the soft part of it, and I'm going to glue that on the other end on this. Take it and place the glue on that part. There we go. Like this. And you should actually wait for it to dry, but when it had been dried enough, you just cut off the excess of these so you don't see them on the other side of it. There you go, and this one. Like that. And here you have a nice belt for your doll. I won't place them together right now because they are still drying here, but then you can use this part for your doll. So that's an easy way to make this one into a tiny belt. Happy crafting!